Hello, and welcome to our video lesson on interpreting results of the PSAT and MSQT. My name is Mr. Robert, and I'm one of the counselors here at Ridgefield High School. Today I'm going to walk you through the many sections of the PSAT and MSQT score report. Let's get started.
There are four major parts to the PSAT score report: your scores, your skills, your answers, and next steps. In addition, the score report will show how you performed on each of the three sections: critical reading, math, and writing skills. PSAT scores are reported on a scale from 20 to 80. The sample here shows a score of 50 for the critical reading section. Below the score is a score range. Ranges show how much your score might vary if you took the PSAT again before gaining new knowledge or skills. In this case, the critical reading score would be within 4 points above or below 50. The performance of students with scores between 46 and 54 would be very similar. In the percentiles section, you can compare your performance on the PSAT to the performance of all other juniors or sophomores who tested. For example, if you scored 55 or in the 55th percentile, you scored higher than 55% of students who took the test nationwide, not just here in Ridgefield. Another way to understand percentiles is to visualize 100 students lined up from lowest or first percentile to the highest or 99th percentile. If you are in the 55th percentile, you would be in the 55th student in line, scoring higher than 54 students and lower than 45. It's important to note that juniors are compared to all juniors who took the test, and sophomores are compared to all sophomores and younger students who took the test nationwide. Below your scores, you'll find information about eligibility for scholarships available through the National Merit Scholarship Corporation. Each student who takes the PSAT has a selection index. The selection index is the sum of the critical reading, math, and writing skills scores. To enter National Merit Scholarship Corporation's competitions, you must 1. Be a full-time high school student, 2. Graduate the following year and enroll in college full-time, meaning you must be a junior, 3. Complete grades 9 through 12 in 4 years, and 4. Be a U.S. citizen. If your selection index has an asterisk next to it, it means that you did not meet all of the eligibility requirements for entrance into the competition. Typically, it's because you're not graduating next year. More than 1.5 million juniors will enter the competition each year. About 50,000 qualify for recognition, and about 9,600 of these students receive an award. Be sure to look at your own selection index and eligibility when you receive your score report. The Your Skills section is a valuable part of your PSAT results, showing you a complete picture of how you performed on the different skills tested on the PSAT. Take a closer look to see where you did well and where you might want to improve. The same skills are tested on the SAT. To get more practice before you take that test, try the hundreds of practice questions available online at www.collegeboard.org/quickstart. The middle section of the report is the Review Your Answers section. When you receive your results, you will also get your test book. Make sure you receive your test book and let us know if you don't have it. Using your actual test book will help you make the most of the Review Your Answers section, since you'll be able to go back to questions that you got wrong, and with the help of the explanations available on collegeboard.org/quickstart, figure out why. You can also look at the notes you made in your test book to see how you got your answer. There are 4 columns here. The critical reading, math, and writing sections of your score report all contain the following information. In the first column, you'll see the number of each question as it appeared in the test booklet. The second column displays the correct answer to each question. In the third column, you will see the answer that you chose. A check mark means you got it correct, an O means you omitted it, and an alphanumeric letter shows you the incorrect answer that you chose. In the fourth column, you'll see the letters E, M, or H, which identify the level of difficulty in each question. E means easy, M for medium, and H means hard. Remember, this is a test for high school juniors who are preparing for college, so it's possible that an E or an easy question might seem difficult to younger students. Not all of the math questions on the PSAT are multiple choice. The math section also contains student-produced response questions, or grid-ins. Here, you solve problems and then recorded answers on a grid. Only answers gridded in the circles are scored. You receive no credit for answers, even correct ones written in the boxes but not gridded or gridded incorrectly. Next steps, your educational plans. Read this section to see how well your future plans match your current interests and skills, as well as the courses you will be taking. On the morning of your test, you provided the following answers: your grade average and a college major of interest. Your report gives a description of what college students learn and do with the major you indicated. It also notes skills important to that major and high school courses you should be taking. My College Quick Start is a free personalized college planning kit based on your PSAT results. Your kit has 4 parts. The My Online Score Report, where you can review your online PSAT score report. Here you'll be able to sort answers and explanations. You'll also be able to view projected SAT scores. In the My SAT Study Plan, through this feature, you'll be able to prepare for the SAT with a customized study plan based on your strengths and weaknesses. My College Matches will help you get a starter list of colleges to explore based on the information you provided when you took the PSAT. You can also refine and customize your list to fit the college criteria that are important to you. And My Majors and Career Matches. Here you'll be able to view a personalized list of suggested majors and careers based on the information you provided when you took the PSAT. You can use My Road to take a personality test and learn more about majors and careers that fit your strengths and interests. For juniors, now is the time to set up and explore Naviance. You should be completing the personality inventory Do What You Are, the game plan, and career inventory. Also, begin to research colleges you may be interested in and experiment with the SAT/ACT test prep component. My Online Score Report lets you learn about your test results. You can review questions and answer explanations, sort questions by the ones you omitted or answered incorrectly, compare performance to state percentiles, and view projected SAT score ranges. My SAT Study Plan creates a customized SAT study plan based on your PSAT results. You can try hundreds of practice questions and even try a full-length SAT practice test. My Personality helps you better understand your strengths, interests, and preferences. You can take a personality test to find your type and explore majors and careers that may be a good fit for you. This feature is also available in Naviance. The counseling department encourages all students to complete the Do What You Are feature in Naviance before you meet with your counselor to plan your post-high school planning. You can jumpstart your college search with a starter list of colleges based on your home state and selected major. You can then customize this list to meet the criteria that are important to you. My Major and Career Matches lets you explore major and career profiles, read first-hand accounts from students and professionals, and learn about required skills and academic preparations. Finally, you can log into your personal account at www.collegeboard.org/quickstart.
A word about Naviance. Naviance is the post-secondary planning tool used by Richfield High School counselors. In Naviance, we hold all of the student information and data related to your post-secondary planning, the college application process, and senior internship. Please log into Naviance to start building your profile and completing the components mentioned previously. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and I hope it has been helpful to you. In order to receive your individual results, please make an appointment with your counselor. We will begin the post-high school planning process at that point in time. Thank you, and good luck.